Anyway, talking about styling, you see the 220F has a very distinct style, and so has the NS200. Now, when you look at the F250 in flesh, you will realize that there has been some inspiration that has been taken in the form of projector headlamp or even the Wolf eyes. But when you look at this in flesh, this is an all new design. There has never been a Pulsar that has been this effortless. Now, this effortless quotient is not just applicable to the motorcycle, but it's also applicable to the rider. Now, Bajaj is saying that 80% of the torque is available between 3000 to 7000 RPM. So it doesn't matter if you're in the second gear, third gear, fourth gear or fifth gear. Get on the gas and there is enough torque to take you forward. Overtaking is easy, and this overall is a really pleasant motorcycle to ride. And when you do happen to switch gears, there has never been a Pulsar that has been this slick, this effortless. Achievement unlocked. Bajaj did choose a 5-speed gearbox, and honestly, it doesn't get in your way even when you're on the highway cruising at 80 to 90 kilometers per hour.
In performance terms, the F has the advantage in top speed because of the fairing.
That engine goes into a new frame, which is a diamond style frame in tubular steel. Suspension is 37mm forks up front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the back. The surprise is how light this 164 kilo motorcycle feels in corners. A European brand now owned by Endurance, who also make the new 1 kilo lighter wheels, and the suspension units are pretty good too.
The other thing is the new bezel-less dash, which you notice more because it isn't sitting surrounded by plastics on the end. Oddly enough, the N has the sportier seating position because the bars are lower than the F's clip-ons.
The N250 is 2 kilos lighter than the F and is also 2,000 rupees less, so that's 1,38,000 rupees ex-showroom, available from roughly 10th of November in showrooms all over the country. What I have to say is that this kind of Pulsar has never been seen before. This kind of effortlessness, the smoothness with which they run, the ride quality, Bajaj have really knocked this out of the park. And if you think about the pricing, it's really sweet too, because the Gixxer, 35,000-40,000 rupees more. The FZ, which had a price correction, is now roughly the same price. But if I had to pick between the FZ and these Pulsars, I think these are doing far better.